Hi, you should be in this packet right here with our spelling list, the 27th. And we're looking at the second page. It's the phonics page. It's got a place for your name at the top. And it's got a rule there that says, when a single consonant comes between two vowels in a word, the word is usually divided before the consonant if the first vowel is long. Now remember last week we talked about vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Remember that? And we divided between the two consonants. And then the next day we had vowel, consonant, vowel. And we divided after that consonant. Today we're going to divide after the first vowel because these are long vowel words. So when your first syllable ends in a long sound, that's where the dividing line goes, okay? So let's look and see. The first word is lilac. Lilac. Spokane is known as the Lilac City. So when you write lilac, you're going to put the dividing line between the I and the L. So it's L-I space L-A-C, lilac. You divide after that first vowel. Move down to number 2. The word is polar. The polar bear was amazingly large. Polar. P-O space L-A-R. So you're dividing after that first vowel. Polar. Moving down to number 3. Spider. Spy, S-P-I, space D-E-R, spider. For the rest of them, down through number 18, go ahead and divide after the first vowel because all of these words have a long vowel sound at the beginning. So you can do that. Down at the bottom, it says write a sentence, just one sentence, using any of these words. Don't forget your capital letter and a period. Just one sentence. Right? It's going to take you a few minutes, but you'll do fine. Let's flip it over on the back. And at the top, we do exactly the same thing as we did before on the first part and the last part. The only one here that is a little confusing is the word policeman. It's policeman. And it says to divide it into syllables. Well, that one doesn't really fit. Well, it does kind of fit, but it kind of doesn't fit. So we're going to go po space lice, L-I-C-E, space M-A-N, because it actually has 3 syllables, even though they're trying to, I don't know. Anyway, that was kind of an odd one. It would have been fine if it's in police, but when they threw the word man in it, then it kind of messed it up. Anyway, it's okay. Po, P-O, space, L-I-C-E, space, M-A-N. The rest you'll know how to do. Down at the bottom, it says read each word and choose a word from above to complete the sentence and write it on the line. Okay? Let's read the words so we kind of know what we're talking about. Paper, I'll read down. Paper, lilac, music, spider, sofa, grocer. Isn't that a funny word, grocer? Look at how that's spelled. I don't know who came up with that. Anyway, frozen, cozy, policeman, pony, lazy, basic. All right, here we go. Number 13. Blank gave us directions to the park. Looking up there could be some really funny ones, like a spider gave us directions, but, probably not, even though it's kind of funny, though. I think it's going to be a policeman. A policeman gave us directions to the park. All right. So go ahead and write the word policeman in there. And then you can go ahead and check it off up above for number 6. Check that off so you don't have to think about and use it again. Okay? A policeman gave us directions to the park. A band was playing, could be some things, but they were probably playing music. So put music for number 14. And then check it off up above. A band was playing music. First we took a blank ride. Now, I was kind of thinking if this is an amusement park, There might be all kinds of rides, but when I looked at my word choice, I found out there's not very many good choices up there. So all I could come up with is we took a pony ride, and okay, that's kind of baby stuff, but pony is the word that goes for number 15. Don't forget to check it off up above. Move down to number 16. Then we bought blank ice cream. Now, I thought maybe it'd be chocolate or vanilla or strawberry, but all they really want is frozen. Then we bought frozen ice cream, which I thought was really funny because have you ever had ice cream that wasn't frozen? I mean, that was a really funny thing to say, I thought. Anyway, frozen's the word for number 16. We sat by a blank bush to rest, and the word is lilac. We sat by a lilac bush to rest. Then we saw a blank spinning a web. You don't need me for that because nothing spins a web. But, well, that's not true. Silkworm spins a web. I was wrong. But you'll find it. Okay. When I got home, I lay down on you'll know that one, and it was so warm and that I fell asleep. So warm and cozy that I fell asleep. All right. I think you got it. Okay. Work on the front and the back, and don't forget to divide after the first vowel. Awesome job. Okay, talk to you later. Bye-bye.